Yeah, today I want to share with you this pastel portrait painting process and the process. Yeah, seeing this work, I use pastel, charcoal pencil, and chipboard paper to create an artwork like this. If you are a beginner or you are an experienced artist, no knowledge is worth that. Watch this video till the end. You may learn one or two things that will help you improve in your drawing. If you're a pastel lover or you love pastel and you don't know how to go about it, you watch it till the end. Starting work like this, I first of all sketch. After sketching it, start applying the color using the reference picture to get the skin tone and the clothes as you can see. So after getting all the resemblance, trying to get the detailing of the face. After everything, I move down to the clothes. After I apply the dark charcoal, using dark charcoal to get the darker effect. You can see it was really amazing. See, so if you are coming artist or you have anybody that interested in learning pastel painting, you can invite them to follow and subscribe to my YouTube channel. What's my Facebook page for art and tutorial and tips how to improve on your drawing. It's not about pastel alone. Do realistic painting, charcoal, and abstract painting. So, I think following this page or subscribing to the page will not waste of time. I normally drop my drawing process. So, yeah, a creative man. So, what I will say to you is keep creating. I once like you, but today can do a work like this. Just believe you can do it too. So keep creating. So we are coming to the end of this today tutorial. Hope you learned something. Don't forget to share, comment, tell me what you think of it. Give me a comment or likes, you know. It will help me go a long way. Thank you for your time. If you watch this video till this time, don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for more art tutorial. As you can see how I create this fold, very simple and more realistic. What do you think? So it's all about some tricks. The more you're listening to it, the more you listen to you. So it's all about patience. Take your time, create your work. If you can't get it, but you still try it again. You know. So hope you like the drawing. As you can see, working on the cup. After putting on the darker shade, putting on the other colors, I'll now try to bring out highlights. As here you can see I'm putting on the white. Yeah. So after blending the white into the together. I use other lighter color that's more of yellow or orange to blend it a little bit and to make it a darker look a bit and try to highlight it. You see? Yeah, so very simple and easy as this. Yes. So I'm trying to create the highlights and the texture of the cup, the George cup. Yeah. There's a little hairing of the gun. Yeah. Now we have the drawing. So see you in my next video.